Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, today's video is going to be a very important video for all the students, those who are going to prepare for the upcoming GATE exam. As we are going to talk about some of the important tips to get good rank in the GATE exam. So this video will be helpful for all the students guys. Even if your friends are preparing for the upcoming GATE exam, you can share this video with your friends too. Clear? And don't forget to share the video with your friends. And even if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, because you will keep on getting many more important videos about your GATE physics exam preparation on this channel. Okay, so to get the information about those new videos and to get the notification about them, you can subscribe this channel, and after clicking on the subscribe button below this video, you can also click on the bell icon you will get after that, so that you will keep on getting the notification about the new videos which I will upload on this channel. Now guys, before starting the discussion about the important tips to get good rank in the GATE exam, I am quickly going to tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. As you all know, on Unacademy Plus we are going to have so many important courses going on for your upcoming exam preparation, as well as many new courses are now going to start. So if you want to attend the sessions of many courses from the starting and you don't want to miss those sessions by all the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as I have mentioned it here, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Now quickly I'm just going to show you the sessions or the courses now we are going to have in December, which are going to start in December. Clear? So if you want to attend all these courses by all the top educators for your upcoming exam preparation, okay, and you don't want to miss these sessions, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription now. So you can quickly go through the course names I have mentioned here, and these are the courses by all the top educators we are going to have for your upcoming CSIR NET and GATE exam preparation. So all these courses will help all the students, those who are going to prepare for the GATE exam or for the CSIR NET physics exam. So guys, I am even going to tell you about the steps you can take to get or to take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Step number 1, download the Unacademy Learning app, or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google. After that, you will have to select your exam. That is going to be, for example, CSIR UGC NET, CSIR UGC NET. If you are going to consider or you want to take the subscription to attend the sessions of all these courses which I have mentioned here, then you can select this exam. After that guys, now you can proceed to take the Unacademy Plus subscription and see the exam should be like this one if you are going to prepare for CSIR NET or GATE exam, GATE physics exam. Because if somebody is preparing for CSIR NET, their preparation for the GATE exam will get done. And you can even see many courses for GATE exam we are going to have even earlier. I have just mentioned it. Here we are going to have the GATE exam courses. Okay, so many courses for GATE exam are also here. So guys, after that, what you need to do now, when you will proceed to take the subscription, you can also use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. And when you will use and apply this referral code, then you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. That's how guys, all these steps can help you to take the Unacademy Plus subscription easily. Okay, and here all these important courses I have already shown you. And whenever you are going to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here. Clear? So by using and by applying it, you can get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. One more thing guys, if anybody is going to take the subscription and any day, like when we are having any live class, and let's say you are not able to attend that live session at that time, recordings of the session will be available to you. Later on, you can check those recordings and you can cover up whatever discussion has been done there. Okay, and that's how easily you will be able to consider, or you will be able to get each and every point clearly, and you will not miss anything. Clear? Now let's quickly talk about the tips to get good rank in the GATE exam. So if I'm going to talk about the first very important tip, that is going to be related to your formula notebook. Guys, if you want to get good rank, for that you have to get good marks. Clear? So you will plan or you will prepare in such a way, and you have to consider all the points in such a way which should help you to get good marks. And the first point there is to make or to maintain a formula notebook from the starting when you are starting your preparation. But if you are someone who has started the preparation earlier and who has not worked on the formula notebook yet, guys, it's okay, you can do it now. Okay, start it from today and try to make your formula notebook. Done? So first thing is that you should start making your formula notebook. Done? And when you are making your formula notebook, it doesn't mean that you should only write the formula in this one. You can even write concepts, you can even write tricks, you can even write the main points related to any topic you are preparing. Okay, but everything you will have at one single place in one single notebook. So when you want to revise the points, you want to just go through all those points and topics you have prepared, it will be easy for you in this way. Now, second thing is gonna be related to, this is the first and the most important tip for all the students. Second thing is that now, if you are someone who has already started the preparation, guys, then what you need to do, you should check that whether you have considered or followed these steps or not, which I am going to tell you now. What are these steps? The steps are that when you have started your preparation, or if you are right now starting your preparation, okay, so before you are going to start making your formula notebook, or before you are going to take your first step towards preparation, you should try to consider this thing, that analyze the previous year questions. What will happen after analyzing the previous year questions? You will get to know about this thing, that what is that subject which is going to have a very good weightage, okay, which is going to have a very good weightage. And first of all, try to cover up those subjects. When you will try to cover up those subjects first, or you will cover them first, you will have a good command on the very much expected concepts, okay, or topics from where you can expect the questions in the exam. So that's how you will be able to get that confidence about your preparation, that you know about the subjects well, okay, and mainly consider those subjects first which are going to have good weightage in your exam, so that you will be in a safe zone and you will be able to consider most of those questions, okay, which are very much expected in your exam. After knowing about this thing, guys, now the third thing is, once you have got to know about the subjects which are going to have good weightage, you have started your preparation from there, you will complete the preparation about those subjects, okay, but from there, or even if there are some more subjects which are going to have less weightage, now your third step is that you should try to consider the most frequently asked questions from the remaining ones, okay, most frequently asked questions. And now what you need to do, at least these questions from even those subjects you need to cover up. And this is in a case when you are having less time, to prepare, okay, then only you will go for most frequently asked questions. Otherwise, if you are having enough time, okay, then you should consider the important questions or important topics, all of them you have to prepare. But if there is very less time and you can't cover up each and everything, then the third point will just consider most frequently asked questions from those subjects, okay, which are even going to have less weightage, or the same thing will work for the more weightage subjects too. Clear? So this is something you have to consider. The fourth point is that since you know you are going to have a general aptitude section in your GATE exam, so on everyday basis, okay, or at least have something like this, that 5 days in a week, or just for these many days in a week, you should also focus on the general aptitude part, okay, because you know it's gonna play a very important role. So you have to consider the time, or you have to just consider like, okay, this much time I'm going to devote for the general aptitude section. In general aptitude and GATE exam, what is the syllabus that I have already shared with you? What is the physical science syllabus or physics syllabus, that also I have shown you in the previous some of the last videos. You can check that on the channel Mission at Physics Exam. But try to focus on the aptitude section too. Okay, there you can even have the English grammar based questions. General aptitude means like verbal reasoning and all. Done. Aptitude basically related to mathematics you can have. So try to work on all those type of questions too. Now the fifth thing is try to be familiar or get familiar with the different type of questions you are going to have in GATE exam. That means MSQ type, MCQ type, NAT type, all these questions you should be confident about it, that how you will select the answer in different type of question, what is the requirement. Try to practice those type of questions, and for that you can consider some mock test, because these mock tests will help you to get more confidence and to get more ready, like for the final day, that is the exam day. After this, the last point is to know how the virtual calculator is gonna work. Okay, and if you are getting to know about that too, you are ready, okay, for your exam. Like if when you know all these things together, you are ready to work, okay, on any question which you are going to have in your exam. So guys, I hope all these tips are gonna be helpful for all of you. Done. So first thing, formula notebook, a must to have thing for all the students. Second thing, analyze the previous year questions, get to know about the weightage of different subjects. What are the subjects which are going to have more weightage? Consider them first, try to prepare them first. Okay, on the priority basis. It doesn't mean that you don't need to go for the rest of the subjects. You will have to prepare them too, but prioritize the things. Done. Next thing is, if you are having less time, then you can go for the most frequently asked questions from the less weightage subjects. This is not for all subjects. This is not for all. Okay, only let's see, for all subjects which are going to have good weightage, you have to go for all the important topics. When you are doing just limited things, it is about the less weightage subject. Okay, at least this much part you have to consider. General aptitude portion, you have to devote time for that too, or you should devote time for that too. It can help you to improve your marks, overall marks, and maintain good rank. Mock test, you should try to consider that as well. It will be helpful for you. Get familiar with the virtual calculator. Mock test, when I'm saying I want you to know about the MSQ, MCQ and NAT type questions, all of them, and to be comfortable with all the type of questions, it will be helpful for you. So guys, I hope all these important tips will help you to plan your preparation, to know about the steps you will take, and to know about that how you can make a best strategy to get good marks and even to get good rank in your upcoming GATE exam. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you till now, whatever discussion we have done. Clear? And also don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel. Also guys, if you want to attend the live classes by all the top educators for your upcoming exam preparation on Unacademy Plus by all the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. All these courses will be very much helpful for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also guys, whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora. As it is mentioned here, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. These are the steps you can take to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, as I have mentioned them here. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching this video till then. Thank you.